Nothing is gearing up for a pivotal launch, and this time, it's not playing coy. The company has moved beyond vague teasers and is signaling the arrival of its much-anticipated Phone 3 with deliberate clarity. After rolling out the Phone 3A series earlier this year, co-founder Akis Evangelidis confirmed that the main Phone 3 would debut in 2025. He emphasized that once the 3A series was out, the team's focus would shift entirely toward bringing the flagship to life. To reinforce this, CEO Carl Pei assured us that Phone 3 would indeed launch in the United States. Recently, Nothing released two emoji hints on social media, a smartphone followed by the number 3. Subtle, yet unmistakable, fans were quick to connect the dots. While Pei has yet to make an official statement about the teaser, the context is telling. The groundwork has been laid, and the moment seems nearby. Pei made it clear the company wasn't interested in releasing a half-baked product, especially when AI was going to play a central role. Instead of rushing out features that weren't ready, something Apple arguably did with its iPhone 16 series, Nothing chose to take a thoughtful route. The result of that patience began surfacing in the 3A and 3A Pro models, particularly through the introduction of the Essential Key. This new hardware button grants access to Essential Space, a streamlined interface designed to boost user productivity, organizing screenshots, voice memos, and more in a single smart hub. It's a strong hint at how deeply integrated AI will be in the Phone 3 experience, aiming to reshape the traditional smartphone dynamic with more personal, intuitive interactions. The Phone 3 is expected to retain the brand's signature transparent back and glyph interface, featuring a 6.77-inch AMOLED LTPO display with a 120 Hz refresh rate and 3000 nits peak brightness. It may be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, paired with up to 12 GB RAM and 512 GB storage, backed by a 5000 mAh battery supporting 50-watt fast charging and 20-watt wireless charging. Camera specs could include a 50-megapixel triple rear setup and a 32-megapixel front-facing shooter. Carl Pei has also teased major AI enhancements, potentially including circle-to-search, smart drawer, voice transcription, and a custom AI assistant built by Nothing. The direction Nothing is taking clearly leans towards smarter, more thoughtful technology, rather than raw specs alone. This focus might set the Phone 3 apart in a crowded market. All signs suggest that Nothing will aim to keep the Phone 3 within reach of mainstream buyers. According to leaks, pricing is expected to land around the $600 mark, or 50,000 Indian rupees, placing it in direct competition with heavyweights like the iPhone 16 and OnePlus 13s. With official teasers emerging and the AI groundwork already in motion, the launch of the Nothing Phone 3 could be closer than anticipated, likely hitting shelves by mid-2025.